If you would like to have a lucid dream tonight, then here are 3 steps you can take in order to prepare the body and mind to have a lucid dreaming experience. These 3 steps involve autosuggestion, which is sometimes known as affirmations or mantras. But the truth is, there are certain times in your sleeping and waking schedule in which autosuggestion will work the best in order for lucid dreaming. So here are your 3 steps. Step 1. While sitting up very comfortably and relaxed, do 15 minutes of autosuggestion right before sleep. This involves repeating the phrase, "I am lucid," over and over again, while you visualize the dream of your choice that you would like to engage in. This step will hold your intention for lucid dreaming, and it will prime your mind for the experience. Step 2. Wake up 5 hours after sleeping and do an hour of breathwork and autosuggestion. Typically, our last REM cycle is when dreams are most vivid. But tonight, we're going to be waking up before we have our last REM cycle. So set an alarm, or you can try to wake up naturally. Once you're awake, spend an hour of doing deep breathing while simultaneously telling yourself, "I am lucid." This step will help deepen your connection with your subconscious mind and your conscious mind so you can achieve lucid dreaming. Step 3. Fall asleep while visualizing the dream of your choice as you continue to say, "I am lucid." This final step will help you anchor in your intention into your subconscious mind and increase your chances of being lucid. Do your best to fall asleep consciously, but even if you don't, you can still trigger lucid dreaming by all the autosuggestion that you just experienced. So those are your 3 steps in order to become lucid tonight. 15 minutes of autosuggestion before sleeping, waking up after 5 hours to do breathwork and autosuggestion, and then fall back asleep while visualizing and do autosuggestion. Even if you don't become lucid tonight, chances are your dreams will be very vivid. And if you continue doing these 3 steps every single night, you are most likely to become lucid very, very soon.